In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a milestone in a GitHub project. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the steps to create a milestone, which is a fantastic way to track progress within your project. Whether you're working individually or part of a team, milestones can help you organize tasks and achieve your goals in a more structured way. First things first, you'll want to log into GitHub. So go ahead and navigate to gitlab.com. Once you're there, look to the upper right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Your Repositories. This will take you to a list of all the repositories you own or have access to. Once you're in the Repositories section, browse through the list and find the specific repository where you want to add a milestone. Click on that repository to open it up. You're now inside your project, and from here we need to focus on the Issues tab. At the top navigation bar of your repository, you will see several options including Code, Issues, Pull Requests, and more. Go ahead and click on the Issues tab. This is where you can manage and track all the issues related to this specific project. Now that you're on the Issues page, look in the upper right section. You should see an option labeled Milestones. Click on that to open the Milestones page. Here, you'll see any existing milestones if there are any, and you'll also have the option to create a new one. To start a new milestone, look for the button that says Create a Milestone, or it may just say New Milestone. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to a form where you can fill in all the necessary details for your new milestone. Now comes the fun part. In the title field, enter a descriptive title for your milestone. Make sure it's clear and concise so that everyone involved in the project understands what the milestone represents. You can also set an optional target due date if you have a specific timeline in mind. This can be really helpful for keeping your team on track. Finally, there's a section for a description. Use this space to write a brief overview of the goals of the milestone. What do you hope to achieve? Any specific tasks or issues that need to be resolved? This is your chance to clarify the purpose of the milestone. Once you've filled in all these details, you'll notice a button at the bottom that says Create Milestone. Go ahead and click that button to finalize the creation of your milestone. And there you have it. You've successfully created a milestone in your GitHub project. This simple yet effective feature can really enhance your project management capabilities, allowing you and your team to track progress, prioritize tasks, and keep everything organized. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using GitHub and other software tools.